Take a look at what is big data. In this course, we will be talking more about big data, the tools and technologies in big data. So let's understand what is big data and why is big data so special and what makes it really different. Big data, as you will see in a lot of places, is defined by the 3 V's: volume, velocity, and variety. Volume is when data sets become extremely large, larger than hundreds of gigabytes. Larger in the sense that this data cannot be fit easily onto one machine for doing analytics. When data comes at a very high speed, it is called as velocity of the data, where we have real-time data streams coming at a very high speed to the system. The system needs to react to this data and bring out insights. In these kind of cases, there is no time to store the data and then do the processing. Data has to be processed and analyzed on the fly. For example, Twitter data. Similarly, variety of the data has increased over the number of years. We have blogs, we have textual data, we have email data, we have video and audio data, which is semi-structured or unstructured data. Big data has the capabilities of analyzing all these data types. And also there is the other part, which is the variability, that the data can change in meaning in terms of, because the data is unstructured, new data types can be part of the same data set. Handling all this together is what makes big data so special. Big data has evolved over the years, and it is its ability to handle massive data sets at an affordable price and also making it possible within the time frames is what makes big data so special. Another way of looking at big data would be to see this graph where we have 2 dimensions on the axis, volume and velocity. Traditional tools for doing analytics, as well as whether it's descriptive or predictive, have been mostly concerned with low volume data and low velocity data. As the velocity and the volume, as well as the variety of the data increases, these systems are not able to handle analytics anymore. They are not able to handle analytics on a single system. Neither are they capable of handling analytics at a distributed scale. That's where big data steps in and makes a difference. Let's look at why big data has become so important now. It's again related to the whole idea of datafication. We are all generating so much of data. So much of data is now available for analytics. All this data, if analytics has to be done, new systems have to be developed to build better analytics, to build more capable systems, to build analytics at a large scale, and to build analytics within a period of time where it really makes sense to build those analytics. We have all seen how the web has grown over the last 10-12 years. The web, the internet has grown exponentially. The web and the internet is also going to grow exponentially over the next decade with the happening of Internet of Things, where there are sensors which would be generating more and more data. Big data is going to become even more important. Processing all this data and making sense of it is all going to need help from big data.